Now slowly what happened? 1 became 10. In the second batch, I still feel good. Just because he got job, in my second batch, I got 10 people. Now I cannot go to 10 people's house, right? Now 10 people started coming to my house. So I used to remember their names. I used to remember where they come from, right? And now 10 become 20. Now 20 of them, I used to remember only the phone numbers. If someone has not joined the meeting, I immediately open my phone, dial their number, and I used to call them because it is only 20 people. Now 20 become 40. Now 40, what happened? Now it was a struggle. So you know what? I used to store their details in my Google contacts. Okay, 40 people. I cannot remember, right? And today, all the 100 people in the class, personally, I'm telling you, unless and until you would have spoken in the class, I still don't know your name also. There are a lot of people where I don't know your name also. If you have spoken in the class, maybe I will remember your name. But if you have not spoken anything, even I will not remember, right? So now we started to store your contacts into Excel. Excel. Okay. Now, today we have 15,000 students in our KSR. All the 15,000 students, where am I storing? I am storing in Excel. I'm storing in Excel. Now, tomorrow, if 15,000 becomes, who knows? Maybe next 5 years, we can also become a big company. 15,000 can become 1,50,000 and 1,50,000 can become 15 lakh thousand in future, if there are 15 lakh students who are actually studying in KSR, do you think I can store their records in Excel?
No, sir.
No.
Not possible.
Why not possible?
Overload.
Maximum 10 lakhs.
The
Is a
maximum number of records that you can store it in your Excel is
10 lakhs.
10 lakhs. Now, tomorrow, if we are getting 15 lakh students, I am sorry, we cannot store it, right? So then slowly we went to database. There is a very well known database called Oracle database. So Oracle database, you can store up to maximum of 5 GB data. That is 5 GB per table. Maybe it's a very good option. And we also have learned MySQL. So in MySQL also, you can store up to 20 million rows. 1 million is 10 lakhs. So 20 million means that much of records you can store. After that, so Excel was not good fit. Oracle and MySQL was also okay. 20 million records. Imagine my students has become more than 20 million. Then what I'll do? Now that is where I'll face a challenge. Now we are all worrying about GB, but what if my KSR data is in terabytes? Where can I store if there is a terabytes? We are talking about GB. But if I have a terabytes, we have 15,000 students, their details, their assignments, their recordings, their homeworks, their data sets. Where will I go and store them? If it is 2 terabyte of data, where do we store it? And we are still wondering about GB, but what if it is in TB? Where will I go and store? Every single class that I speak is actually equivalent to 1 GB of space, because my audio, my screen share, my voice, everything is getting recorded. It comes up to 1 GB. So in a day itself, I speak for 3 GB data. Now, where can I go and store? Now, that is where, as of now, we are facing challenge in data storage. Okay, I don't know if I would have told this. Always remember these two words. We have a problem with SP. Okay, what is SP stands for?
Storage problem.
Yeah. So one is storage, one is processing. So you need to handle, one is you need to handle the storage, one we need to handle the processing. This two is very, very important in every business. And today KSR is also facing issue. Where we are facing issue? We are facing issue in storage. Every single class we are getting recorded, and we are storing, in the sense where to go and store all this. So today we are facing challenge in the storages. Okay. Now, I have an option now. Okay. Today, entire KSR data is managed in Santosh laptop. And in this laptop, which I'm taking session, this is where I have maintained all the KSR details. How much revenue KSR has maintained, how many students have come, and so far how many students have got placed. If you want to know the entire KSR details, the easiest way is you can steal my laptop. You'll get every single information, right? You'll get every single information, because today the entire KSR data that we have is 1 terabyte, and 1 terabyte of data I am maintaining in my one laptop. And the one laptop, if you go and see, this is the laptop. And here, if you see, 200 GB of my C drive, 460 of my D drive, 480 of my GB, which is of F drive. If you add all this, totally my laptop capacity is 1 terabyte. That 1 terabyte is my laptop size. So today, all the KSR data of 1 terabyte I am storing in one laptop. The price of the laptop is 1 lakh, and the data, that amount which I'm spending on my laptop is 1 lakh. So today, if you are wondering where KSR data is present, today it is 15,000 students, all of the records, assignments, everything I've stored in my personal machine, which is 1 lakh. Now, tomorrow, KSR data is increased to 10 terabyte. Very simple solution. Buy 10 laptops. Buy 10 laptops. Now tell me, is it a right solution?
No.
So
No.
we'll face a handling issue.
You need to maintain.
10 lakhs KSR can spend, yaar. 10 lakhs is a very small amount for KSR. They can spend. What is the problem in buying 10 laptops?
Instead of
So
buying laptop, you
buying
can
is not
spend
the
on
problem,
storage.
sir. Get a handling is the problem.
I'll hire 10 people.
How do you know
Cloud
which
is
day
much cheaper.
in future might become more?
I'll hire 10 people. What I can do?
And testing is also difficult.
That is fine. I'm hiring 10 people, right?
So for 10 people, you have to
Testing still
keep
go.
one person to manage, to handle
Data
them.
is segregated.
Why I need to
Cost will
hire?
be high, Santosh.
Why cost? Only 10 lakhs, right?
In future, it
For if you
might
go for
increase.
cloud, it will be much cheaper, right?
No, 10 lakhs is cheaper only, right?
In future, it might become 100.
That is fine. 100 laptops I'll buy.
And for data security,
You have to maintain all those.
So let me tell you one thing. Forget about hiring 10 people. Forget about hiring 10 people. You're all my friends. If I ask you to maintain one laptop, we will do it for free or not. You're always grateful for us since you have got a job. You'll always be grateful for us, no? So if I ask you to maintain one laptop for free of cost, will you ask me salary?
No, sir.
Then I need not even pay for 10 laptops, right? You all people can maintain in your own personal laptop, and you can use your laptop. You will not even ask me salary for monitoring it. So I'm still safe, right? Why this is not a good option?
So data integrity is the problem.
Data?
Process.
Security.
Process issue.
We might misuse it.
Integrity, data integrity also.
Integrity, security. Sir.
Okay. Tomorrow, Mahesh will come and ask me which batch student has got the highest package. Which batch student has got the highest package? And this is used by one student. This is used by one of person, or maybe I've had 10 people. He has to find out who is the highest here. He has to find out who is the highest here. He has to find out who is the highest here, and then I have to go and find out who is the highest here. Data is segregated. This is not the way of doing it. Just think that 10 lakhs is not a big amount, but who is going to monitor this 10 laptops is the biggest question. Maybe you people will help me, but how long? I need to hire 10 people. Even Ravana had only 10 heads, not 10 hands. Where can I go and operate 10 laptops here? Right? So it's practically impossible. And today it is 10 terabytes, and it is high likely chance that tomorrow it will become 100 terabytes. For 100 terabytes, how much amount I need to spend? 100 lakhs. 100 lakhs is equal to
1 crore.
1 crore. I told you one example, right? If I have 1 crore, why will I take class? I can settle with this 1 crore. Why will I go and invest in laptops? I can simply leave KSR and go, right? So as and then the data is increasing, your storage is also increasing. This is not the right way to do it. This is not the right way to do it, right? Buying 10 laptops is not a good option. Buying uh 10 laptops is not a good option. And come on, we are talking about terabytes. 10 terabytes, 15 terabytes, 100 terabytes. We're talking about terabytes. But you know what? The world is moving in a different direction. And as of 2020, you can see that the data is 40 gigabytes. People who don't know what is a gigabytes, you can see in the left table, 1 zettabyte equal to 21. That means it is 40 followed by 10 followed by 21 zeros. 21 zeros. Oh my God. This much of data, where will we store? KSR is struggling to store 1 terabyte of data, 10 terabyte of data. The world is generating this much of data. Where will I go and store? And I was pretty lazy to go and update this slide. It is 2020, 4 years back. And today we are almost 175 gigabyte. So 175 into 10 power 21. Where can I go and store this much of data? We are talking about terabytes and already it is gigabytes, right? And nowadays you have everything. You have everything. You have apps for booking cabs, online transactions. You can go and do your bank transactions. If you want some food, you can order in Swiggy, Zomato. And if you want some items, you can order in Flipkart, Amazon. 10 years back, 20 years back, this was not the case. But now everything is there. So people have got that comfort. So obviously we are start using more and more. The data is increasing more and more. Where will I go and store? Right? Now we have a challenge. We have a challenge. What is the first challenge is scalability. What do you mean by scalability? See, whatever I was talking about this is, I'm talking about my current problem that I'm storing the data in my personal machine. If tomorrow there's something happens to my laptop, entire KSR data is vanished and they'll file a case against me. Right? So entire KSR data is present in my laptop. So tomorrow, if my laptop, if the data is increasing to 100 terabytes, I have to go and buy 100 laptops. First problem is scalability. So scalability is my first problem. My second problem is server storage. Okay, imagine about buying laptops. Let's go and store it in the database. Database also will charge more. They will charge, your database are very expensive. To store 1 GB of data, they may charge you in lakhs. So that is also problem. Next, data security. Okay, I will not give to anyone. I will give to you people. I will give it to you people. You're all my friends. I can trust you. So 10 laptops with all the 10 laptops with the KSR data, I will give it to you people. And if I call you, your brother, sister, cousin, grandmother is using our laptop. Where is my data security? You're somewhere in Hyderabad, you are somewhere in London, Africa, and I'm in Bangalore. And if I ask you to pull some data, I don't know what you're doing. I cannot keep a watchman back of you to keep who is using my laptop. So data security is also gone. If I am giving to you people, what is the guarantee that only you are seeing my laptops? And one of you come and say that I lost my laptop. And one of you come and say that my kid dropped your laptop and it's gone. It's a blue screen. Your laptop is gone. So who is the loss here? For me, it is loss. Maintenance. For every single person, I need to give a software. I need to install it with licensing. And you will not bear the spendings for me. You will say, see, your laptop, your computer, your data, your system, why should I spend? You give for license. So I have to pay for 100 laptops license and softwares. And someone says that my speaker is not working, my headphone is not working, my power bank is not working, my charger is not working, everything is not working. So I have to spend for your laptop hardware also. If I go and give 10 laptops to 10 people, these are the challenges which I will get it. Are you all with me? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. When all of these challenges we are facing, okay, one fine day, we were also talking, okay, Mahesh, myself, and all the founders and leadership of KSR, we were talking, how are we going to manage KSR data? And today, very openly, I can tell you, the KSR data is about 10 terabytes, and literally we are spending 10 lakhs for storing our data. All the founders are storing our KSR data, including me. I am also storing 1 terabyte of data, KSR data in my laptop. Now we are literally spending 10 lakhs. Suddenly, someone from sky, suddenly, someone from sky came to us and saying that, you give me 3 lakhs, I'll take care of your data. Wow, that's a very, very good deal. We as a KSR leadership team, we need not worry anyhow, because someone is coming from the sky and saying that, boss, you don't worry, you don't spend 10 lakhs. I am here for you. I am here for you. I can do everything for you. Data monitoring, data security, scalability, softwares. I will only take it of hardwares. Every single data, I will keep it secure. Hey, what do you need in return? Just give me 3 lakhs. Now that was a very, 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 very good deal for us. That's a very good deal for us. We literally spending 10 lakhs, and someone is coming from the sky and saying that, boss, why are you spending 10 lakhs? You give me 3 lakhs. I will take care of everything. You please focus on the class. You please focus on the teaching. You please focus on the collecting fees. Let me handle this. My only work is to do this. What else you need? If there is an offer that you're getting like this, 30% only they are charging, 70% I'm saving. Why can't I go with it? Is it a good deal?
Yes.
Yes.
Who is
Yes,
that
sir.
someone who's coming from sky?
Cloud.
Cloud.
Cloud,
Cloud.
right? So finally, we have a problem with our on-prem. Finally, we have a problem with the on-prem, and that is why we are going to someone who's going to help us. Who is that someone? We still don't know, but they are going to take care of everything with a minimal charge.